Welcome to our MS Word document. The last time I told you I'm going to talk about how to open and edit your text. Very simple, it's not that difficult at all. Now I've opened my MS Word. You don't have to do it. Check our first class. We actually have to open your MS Word. That's open. Now I have to scroll down. If you check immediately open, if you check at your left corner, you see there are some text like first page, advanced, first project, and stuff like that. These are the document recovery. Okay, for example, you didn't save your work very well. This help you to recover your document. And so if you have it, just at this side of it, just come over here and you look at the whole text and click the one that you want to. What if I've already saved my document and I want to open it now and edit it? It's very simple. Just move straight to your file. Click on file. Immediately click on file, you see open. Click on open and click on open. Once it's open, you see your recent document. Okay. These are all my recent documents, and from there you can now scroll it, check, and know the ones you want to work on, and then double click on it. Okay. What if you open like this? For some systems, you saw the right browse. You click on the browse, for your browse. Like me, I always save my documents, most of my document, all my documents. So from browse, I go to my documents, and from there I also do the same thing and select what I want to work with. Okay. Hope you're understanding it. Without wasting time, I'll now click on this. So click it and it will open straight away. Okay, this is where what we worked the other day. If you don't use that method too, if you also check up, remember we told you that quick link. Okay, so for this quick link, if you check up there, you can see open. Click on open. Then have open, and so too you can customize it. Just come over here and look for open and add it up. So later you come, just click there to click on it. It will also open for you. You go to your browser and select it, or if you're fortunate, you see it immediately there and you can click on it and it will open like this. Now I want to work on this test. I want to edit it. How do I edit it? Let's say for example I made any mistake here, like welcome to this is it, and I've noticed that there's a lot of mistake and I want to correct some of them. There are various ways you can correct all your mistake in Microsoft Word. Okay, and also before you correct it, let me say maybe it's email I open it's very small. Okay, I want to be big. I want to make it very big so that people can see what I'm writing. Very simple. First of all, you select. How do you select? Use your mouse key, click on it, and select everything like this. Once it's selected, you see it will be highlighted. All the ones you selected will be highlighted. When you see the highlight, you come over here to your font. Click on font, choose the font you like. Some prefer Times New Roman, some prefer Arial Black, some prefer Algeria. There's so many fonts there for you to select from. So you select, let's say you want to select Arial Black, I select Arial Black. Then the next one to increase the size. The next you come up after the font, next one is your size. Click on the size. It will show you size 9, 10, 11, 12. Many people prefer 10. Okay, so I'll just choose 12 to make it a little bit bigger, or maybe any, or just make sure that you work according to the size that is given you. Okay, so now I've selected my text, I've make it bigger, I've choose the size. What if I want to edit it now? Maybe there are some mistakes. For example, here say welcome to MS Word Futures. For the following one, I didn't know what I wrote there, so it's okay. I want to delete these things. How do I do it? If you check at your monitor, you're using laptop, right there on your keyboard section, you see the right backspace. Backspace, okay? For those if you want to do something from the back, you use backspace. For example, you see it's backspace delete to the back. Okay. Now, what if you want to delete something from your right? You use delete. For example, let's say it's at the beginning of the text, and I want to delete some things. I use delete there. Okay, some people write it there on your keyboard, while some write delete completely. Just trace it, you see it there on your keyboard. So you read right there. I'll delete it, and just this is the way you can paste something or delete something. Now, what if I've written something that those things I wrote down, maybe I don't like, I want to undo them, I don't want to see them again. It's very simple. Click on that particular spot that you want to undo. If you check up here at that quick link, as I told you before now, you see undo. This is undo. The arrow face like this for you to undo. And remember, whatever you undo, you can also redo. So let's say I want to undo this. I want to undo most of this. So what do? I start clicking. I click on it, it will be to undo. Click again. So click again, you undo. So but what if maybe you undo at the end of the day, the word become, maybe you've deleted mistakenly what you don't want to delete by undoing them. What do? You use redo. This is your redo. redo go like this. Okay, you click on redo, and everything that you've done before now, you also redo. When you get to the place that you want them to redo back, you stop there and then continue your work. Now, what if I have a lot of tests here? Which one is very simple? Let me bring so many tests. A lot of tests that I need to scroll down and then start searching for the tests I'm working on. Maybe what I want to do is maybe at the last part of maybe page 5, page 6, and stuff like that. How do I get there? For example, look at the whole lot of tests. It's very simple. All you need to do, if you check your keyboard as well, page up will take you to the upmost. Okay, while page down will bring you to the down part. You see it page down, you start scrolling straight down to the last. So you can use your page up or you can use your page down. Okay, that is one aspect you can use. See what I mean by page up and page down? Is page up. Okay, page up, page down. If you check your keyboard, you see where they write it page up, page down. While some keyboard will not write completely page up, they write pg up, pgdn. Okay, it's that the same thing. So if you have it, then make use of it. Now, what if I want to work on sideways? Maybe what I'm searching for is maybe my mouse is here. Look at my mouse. My mouse is here, and I want to move straight. So what do I do? Use your space bar. Let me show you what I'm talking about. That you can also make good use of. It's also go a long way in helping you out. This is it. So you see, it's the arrow key. The arrow key is 4. You can use the up to go up of the ladder. You can use the down to go down. Or you can use the both left and right, either to go to your left or to go to your right. Either go to your left or go to your right. Okay. So depending on whatever you want to do. So you can also use the scroll bar to do that. Okay. Then again, let me just show you practice. I won't just be talking. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Look at my mouse. This is my mouse. I drop it here and I want to go down. I use page down. Okay. See, it's following my mouse. It's going one sentence after the other, one line after the other, one line after. So I can read across the next line, read it and see there's something to work on, whether to edit something like deleting or adding up or doing or redoing. Then what if the thing is maybe on my right? I use this scroll. You see it's I'm going to the right. Let me bring it up here. See it, I'm going to the right. I will now go there. Let's say this saver. I want to change something on this server. I can now type and change whatever I want to change. Or I go back to my left. After changing it, I go back to my left and then continues. So you can use it. You can use the arrow key for that. It show you all around that. Okay. Then another way you can use your scroll bar. If you check whether this is my scroll bar, you come over here. There's a scroll bar. Let me reduce this so I can see the scroll bar very well. So from the scroll bar, either scroll up or scroll down. Okay, so these are method and things you can use to edit things in Microsoft. Hope you're understanding it. Hope it's getting clearer and clearer. If you have any, if you didn't get it, please kindly ask me. Okay, comment on the comment section, ask your question right there, so I can able to place it for you and then explain better for you. But if you are grasping what I'm saying, all well. Okay, so we've talked about how you can redo, how you can do, and stuff like that. So in our next class, we are going to select the test. How do you select a test? How do you move a test and copy a test? And most importantly, how do you find and replace a test? This is what we are going to do in our next class. See you there and to practice what we've learned today. And if you like what we're doing, kindly give us that smash button. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.